So what's really special about embryology at MBL is that it's a comparative developmental biology course. So you can take a course in zebrafish development, in frog development, in mouse development. It's one model organism basically. But here in embryology, we really take this comparative approach and introduce students to a lot of emerging model systems where not a lot of people study them, but yet they're incredibly important for answering very specific questions in development and in evolution. There's no other course in the US certainly that does this. And I think that's the biggest benefit that students get when they come and take this course. People who have just been working on model systems, just blows their mind that there are these incredible model systems that they can work on where they can actually answer their questions of interest.
The course consists of lectures as well as a large laboratory part where the students experiment with about 25 to 30 different organisms. And depending on the model organism, you can do different experiments. So they learned how to transplant, how to inject embryos, how to knock down gene function in the different organisms and then evaluate what the loss of this gene function does to the development of the organism. Importantly, they learned how to use cutting-edge microscopes, which were graciously being lent by vendors. And so the students told us that this was very valuable to them to not only see all these different organisms, but also to be able to learn about the newest technologies, how to image them.
The MBL has given me such a great access to a ton of different PIs and graduate students and postdocs in their labs. So as I'm starting to think about my postdoc and trying to figure out where I might go for my next step of my career, it's been so amazing to get to network with a lot of these PIs in a very casual setting. So in the course, we have these discussions after lectures where we actually get to talk a little bit more personally about career journeys and life in science with all these different PIs that come to the course. And so that gives me this ability to try and understand how my role might be and how my career journey might be. And that's been such an amazing opportunity.
The advice I have for students who want to take this course next summer is to really emphasize your passion for development and for embryology, because that's really what we ask of students when they come here, that they just love looking at embryos and trying to understand how embryos function. We have students here this year who have never seen an embryo in their life, even though they're working in some aspect of developmental biology. They go back just fascinated and enthralled by what they experience in this course. And the other thing is that we require strong softball skills to participate in the course. It's funny because students come here. This year, for example, we didn't have a single person who had played softball before, and they came and they practiced with us, and they all emphasized how much that experience was important for them, for bonding with each other during the course.
Embryo! 1, 2, 3,
Embryo!